we're going to delete and add a reference designator here. So the first thing we're going to do is download the structure. Now we have our structure. We'll scroll across to the right and we're going to delete two reference designators. And then we're going to create two new reference designators to replace them. Now these reference designators are for different components on the structure. And we simply just upload these changes. And now we have the new reference designators and the old ones removed. If we download the structure again, we'll see the reference designator changes.